Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Mark and Mia.
Hi, friends! We're so glad you're here today.
I'm Mark.
And I'm Mia. Today we have a practical, everyday topic.
We're going to talk about neighbors, the people around you.
Yes, how to talk about your neighbors and make small talk in English.
This is A1 to A2 level, perfect for beginners.
By the end, you'll know how to chat with neighbors naturally.
Before we start, please hit that like button.
And subscribe for more practical social English lessons.
Okay, let's talk about neighbors.
Are you ready? Let's go. So, Mark, do you know your neighbors well?
Some of them. My next-door neighbor is really friendly. We chat sometimes. What about you?
I'm still getting to know mine. The family across the hall seems very nice.
Friends, let's start with the basic word neighbor.
Your neighbor is someone who lives near you.
My neighbor lives next door, or she's my neighbor.
Next door means right beside you, the house or apartment next to yours.
The house next door, or my next door neighbor.
Let's practice. My neighbor is very friendly.
Now say, I live next door to a nice family.
Perfect. Now let's learn different types of neighbors.
Next door neighbor, right beside you.
Upstairs neighbor lives above you in an apartment.
Downstairs neighbor lives below you.
Across the hall, opposite you in apartment building.
Across the street, on the other side of the road.
Let's say, my upstairs neighbor is a little noisy.
Now say, the family across the street waves to me every morning.
Excellent. What about describing neighbors?
You can say, my neighbors are friendly or nice.
They're quiet. They don't make much noise.
They're helpful. They help when you need it.
They keep to themselves. They're private, not very social.
Let's practice. My neighbors are very kind and helpful.
Now say, the couple upstairs is pretty quiet.
Great. Now let's learn about meeting neighbors.
When you first meet, hi, I'm your new neighbor.
I just moved in next door, or we just moved in.
Nice to meet you. Polite greeting.
Welcome to the neighborhood. Friendly welcome.
Let's say, hi, I'm Mia. I just moved in across the hall.
Now say, welcome to the building. Let me know if you need anything.
Perfect. Now let's practice a neighbor conversation.
Ready? Listen carefully.
Hi, you must be my new neighbor. I'm Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. Yes, I'm Tom. We just moved in yesterday. Nice to meet you.
Welcome to the building. How do you like it so far?
It seems great. Everyone's been very welcoming. Do you live alone?
No, I live with my husband and our cat. What about you?
Just me and my dog, Max. I hope he won't be too noisy.
Oh, don't worry. I love dogs. Feel free to knock if you need anything.
Thank you. Same here. Oh, quick question. When does the trash go out?
Every Monday and Thursday morning. They pick it up around 8 a.m.
Perfect. Thanks for letting me know.
Did you understand? Let's listen again.
You must be my new neighbor. I'm Sarah.
Hi, I'm Tom. We just moved in yesterday.
Welcome. How do you like it?
Great. Everyone's welcoming. Do you live alone?
With my husband and cat. You?
Just me and my dog Max. Hope he won't be too noisy.
I love dogs. Feel free to knock if you need anything. When does the trash go out?
Monday and Thursday mornings, around 8 a.m.
See? Natural neighbor small talk. Now, let's learn small talk topics with neighbors.
The weather is always safe. Nice weather today.
Beautiful day, isn't it?
Bets are great topics. Your dog is so cute.
I love your cat. What's his name?
Let's practice. Beautiful morning. Are you going out?
Now say, your dog is adorable. How old is she?
Perfect. What about asking for help?
Could you help me with something?
Do you have a minute?
Could I borrow some sugar? Classic neighbor request.
Could you water my plants while I'm away?
Let's say, could you keep an eye on my apartment this weekend?
Now say, do you have a screwdriver I could borrow?
Excellent. What about offering help?
Let me know if you need anything.
I'm happy to help anytime.
Feel free to knock if you need something.
I'm just next door if you need me.
Let's practice. I'm going to the store. Need anything?
Now say, if you ever need help, just let me know.
Great. What about neighborhood issues?
Sometimes you need to address problems politely.
I don't mean to bother you, but polite start.
Could you keep the noise down a bit? Noise complaint.
Your music is a bit loud. Gentle complaint.
I hope this isn't a problem, but diplomatic start.
Let's say, I don't mean to complain, but could you turn down the TV?
Remember, always be polite and friendly.
Yes, good neighbor relationships are important.
What about positive interactions?
Thanks for being such a great neighbor.
I appreciate your help the other day.
You're the best neighbor.
I'm lucky to live next to you.
Let's practice. Thank you for watching my place.
Now say, I really appreciate you being so considerate. Perfect. What about common neighbor situations?
I locked myself out. Forgot keys inside.
Could you help me carry this? Heavy items.
Did you hear that noise last night? Sharing concerns.
A package came for you. Receiving deliveries.
Let's say, I locked myself out. Could I use your phone?
Now say, a delivery came for you while you were out.
Excellent. What about building community?
We're having a barbecue this weekend. Want to come?
Would you like to join us for dinner?
We're organizing a block party, neighborhood party.
Let's exchange phone numbers.
Let's practice. We're having people over Saturday. You're welcome to join. Great. What about boundaries?
I'm pretty busy these days. Politely declining.
I like to keep my weekends quiet, setting limits.
I appreciate the invitation, but I can't make it. Polite decline.
It's okay to be friendly, but maintain privacy.
Let's say, that sounds fun, but I have plans this weekend.
Perfect. What about emergency situations?
There's a water leak. Urgent problem.
I smell smoke. Do you? Safety concern.
Did you see anything suspicious? Security issue.
The power is out. Is yours too? Checking situation.
Let's say, I think there's a gas leak. Should we call someone?
Important to communicate about safety.
Yes. Now let's learn neighborhood vocabulary.
The neighborhood, the area where you live.
This is a quiet neighborhood or friendly neighborhood.
Safe neighborhood, low crime, secure.
The street or the block, your immediate area.
Let's say this is a really friendly neighborhood.
Perfect. Let's review everything.
Neighbor types: next door, upstairs, downstairs, across the hall, across the street.
Describing friendly, nice, quiet, helpful, keep to themselves.
Meeting: I'm your new neighbor. Just moved in. Welcome.
Small talk, weather, pets, compliments.
Asking help: could you help? Could I borrow?
Offering help. Let me know if you need anything.
Issues: polite complaints, appreciation, boundaries.
You can be a great neighbor in English now. Okay, friends, time for our recap.
Today, we learned how to talk about neighbors in English.
We learned vocabulary for different types of neighbors.
We learned how to introduce yourself to new neighbors.
We learned small talk topics and how to make polite requests.
We learned about offering help and addressing issues politely.
And how to build friendly neighbor relationships.
Now you can interact with neighbors confidently.
Time for our community question.
Here it is. Do you know your neighbors well? Tell us about them.
Yes, share in the comments. My neighbors are, we usually.
For example, my upstairs neighbors are a young couple. We chat in the hallway sometimes.
We want to hear about your neighbor experiences.
Bonus question. What makes a good neighbor in your opinion? Quiet? Friendly? Helpful? Tell us your thoughts.
Every comment is practice.
We're so proud of you for learning today.
Good neighbor relationships make life better.
And now you can build them in English.
Remember to be friendly and respectful.
Small gestures make a big difference.
Before we go, please like and subscribe.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Be neighborly.
Bye.